Got some new parts in, mother sucker. Well, I already put them on, so, but I'll show you guys what it is. But at the same time, I got these new brackets that I wanted. Those are in finally. Literally 35 degrees outside, as you guys can see. Yeah, it's freezing cold. So I got these fenders. I put them on already. They were eBay, so it came pretty cracked here. It's pretty bad here. There's some minor cracks here, as well as this one. Fitment's pretty okay, I guess. It's gonna be the daily. So far, it was, can't complain for $250. I did get my brackets. It's in the Prius. I gotta go grab it. Well, Prius will be gone soon enough. I'm gonna cry. It's the best daily I've ever owned. Alright, let me run back here. Alright, so we got the S13 Sylvia headlight brackets, and for my headlights I will be running these duct ones. I don't know if I've showed it to you guys. These came in and these look fucking awesome. Oh shit, look how cold it is, dude. It's like, look at that. These are gonna be nice. I can't wait for these. And I did also pick up a grill locally, which is right here. It needs some minor work, but it was 30 bucks. Can't complain. I just want to give you guys a rundown how much all of this cost me. The hood was $550 for OEM metal hood. Great condition. That was a steal. Fenders were $250. The duct headlights, whatever you want to call them, I got it for $250. They're used, but they're still great condition. Whole piece, the grill, I should say, that was 30 bucks. Pretty much the front end conversion cost me around 1,200 bucks. But you know, I got a lot of good deals on it. They usually run like 15 to 2,000, and the parts are going up every single day. So next up, I'm just waiting for my body kit. Actually, I do have the body kit. Let me correct myself. I might kind of want to try to put the rear bumper on today, since I sold the OEM one, and I do have the side skirts as well. We can put those on, but as far as it goes for the front bumper, I won't be able to put that on because I don't have it yet. I ordered it. It should be coming sometime in February, so like in 2 weeks. I you know, my clothes on because it's hella cold outside. But these are the brackets that we'll be removing. This one's already cracked. Yeah, and collision before. You can see these weld spots right here, but you can clean all that up. It's pretty minor. This bracket is just fucked, dude. Gotta, you know. Yeah, we got a little problem. I'm gonna have to cut the bolt right up there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real. I'm so close. Alright guys, I got the bracket off. I'm gonna try putting these new ones on, which are right here. Wait, I got the first one on there so far. I got the headlights on. They're looking pretty nice. I do have to fix the middle grill. I just put it on there just to, like, you know, test fit how it looks, but after closing the hood, this is how it looks like. Yeah, those guys are annoying. Anyways, they're just fixing the road, but that's it for this video. Peace out. Until next time.